Hey friends, in this video we are gonna unbox and review the newly launched Artis BT22. So let's move in of the Artis BT22, and first we are gonna see what's written on the box. Then we are gonna move inside the box, and as you can see, it's written Bluetooth connectivity, TF card input, USB input, FM radio, aux input, hands-free calling, support 8 watts of output, 10 meters of walking distance is provided. Like, this is the range of the Bluetooth, and it has a LED flash on the top, as you can see over here. And some more features about the speaker, which I'm going to explain in the later part of the video. So inside the box, you can see you have the manual over here. This is the speaker, and I think so this is the accessory box. Yeah, and this is the warranty card. So the accessory box is having, okay, it's having a charger, your traditional typical charger, and your aux cable over here, and you have a hook also inside the box. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
Friends, this is the Artis BT22 out of the box, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design of this speaker. Build quality wise, the whole shell on this speaker is made out of plastic, as you can see over here. The plastic is a very high quality plastic, soft touch plastic, which is used on these speakers. The upper and the bottom part, as you can see on the upper part, you have the buttons, and this is also plastic, and the bottom part has this rubber grip over here and a LED torch, which I'm going to show how to use it. There are many functions of this torch also. This rubber is here to keep the speaker stable, so it should not move. And on the grill, as you can see, the Artis branding over here, and at the back you get another grill for the subwoofer ventilation. This cover is hiding all the ports you see over here, the USB port, your SD card slot, your charging port, and the aux port over here. And the build quality, as I've said, it's made out of plastic. It's too good. Like, the fit and finish, as you can see, is very well done. There are no panel gaps at all, nothing on the speaker rattles, and you get a hook also inside the box, so you can hook the speaker anywhere you are going, to your jeans, your bag, anywhere you want to hook it. The build quality, as I've said, is damn good. Artis makes some great speakers. I've reviewed many speakers in the past time of this brand. They have never disappointed me when it comes to the build quality. And friends, design wise also, you can see this is a cylindrical shaped device, and it's a long device. So if you keep the speaker like this, and this speaker doesn't have that much of weight also, this is a very lightweight speaker, so this might fall very easily if you push this speaker, or if it gets any kind of jerk very easily. It is not that stable in this way, but you have to keep it in a place where it will not get jerks of somewhat, so it would not fall down. The design is very well done. It is very portable. You can keep it anywhere in your luggage. It will not take that much of space also. It's just long, it's not that big, it's not that thick also. It's just perfect in my opinion. The design and the build quality are damn good. And friends, features wise also, I guarantee you that at this price point, no other speaker brand will give you these kinds of features. This brand is giving you a lot of features at this price point. Like, you get a 4.2 Bluetooth system in this speaker, which is the latest one. And the great part is, you get all the ports which I have shown you. You get a USB port, SD card slot, you get an aux port, you get aux cable also inside the box, which most of the speakers nowadays don't get. And the battery capacity of this speaker is also pretty good as per the pricing. I know you might be thinking, what is the price of this device? This man is constantly talking about the price. So there's a link in the description, the first link, Amazon link. You can check that link, you can click on that link, open that page, you can see there's a price coming up there. You can check the price of the speaker over there, and if you want to buy this speaker, you can just click on the buy now button and buy that speaker from the link in the description. But still recommend you to watch this video till the end, because there is a sound test also. You can check the sound of this speaker also in the later part of the video. So friends, as we were talking about the features of the speaker, the battery on this speaker is about 1200 mAh, which is okay in my opinion. This speaker, by the way, is a 8-watt speaker. You get one speaker over here, one speaker over here. You can see the reflections of two of these speakers over here. So the battery, as I've said, is 1200 mAh. The playtime is about 5 hours. It takes less time to get charged because the battery is small, so it's pretty good in my opinion. And friends, now we're gonna move to the sound test of this speaker, and I'm going to show you, oh, before that, let me show you the torch, how you can use the torch over here. This is a very powerful torch. So just switch on the speaker like this.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
As you can see, there is a LED also over here. And another thing which I forget, you can see there's a call button over here. You can pick up calls from this speaker. At this price point, you get so much of stuff in the speaker. Artis is giving you everything. So you get a microphone also, so you can pick up calls from this speaker. And to switch on the torch, just click this play pause button over here for about 3 seconds. Yeah, as you can see it's pretty bright over here. I don't know what is the battery capacity. It's about 50 or 60%. So this is a very bright light. Let me just switch off the studio lights. So yeah, so as you can see, this is a very bright light over here, and there is a SOS mode also. So if you keep it pressed one more time, the same button, play pause 1, you can see the SOS function over here. And to switch off the light, you have to just keep it pressed again. So this is how you turn this speaker off. And now we are gonna move to the sound test of the Artis BT22. So friends, I've connected this Artis speaker to my OnePlus 6 over here, and the name of the song is Yala, and the volume from my device is full, as you can see over here. And now I'm gonna play the song, but before that, let me tell you that this is a 8-watt speaker. So now I'm gonna play the song.
Start off one end to the building.
Speaker. Now we come to a conclusion that the sound from the speaker, quality wise, it was very clear. You can hear each and every lyric that singer was singing. It was very clear. It didn't have any kind of distortion at full volume. Also the beats were pretty good. But when we talk about the loudness wise, it was a very loud speaker. When we think about a 8-watt speaker, this didn't sound like a 8-watt speaker. This was sounding like a 10-watt speaker. This is a very loud speaker. And the bass on this speaker, being a 8-watt speaker, was too good in my opinion. It was not the best in the class, but I haven't heard the best in the class in 8-watt of speaker terms. Like in those 8-watt lineup, I have never heard this kind of great bass on any speaker, because as per the watts go down, it just gets louder. But the bass on the speaker with the loudness was pretty good. I feel like it was a better combination in my opinion. The bass is good, the loudness is damn good. It is a perfect speaker. This is the best speaker, I think so, under 1300 rupees. Yeah, I know. If you haven't checked the link is in the description. You get all those stuff you need. It's a great quality speaker. You get all those features which I have explained. It's just damn good. It's a pretty good value for money device. Friends, if you want to buy this speaker or you want to check the price of the speaker, you can see there's a link in the description, the first blue link. Click on that link to buy the speaker, or you want to check the price, you can go ahead and do that also from the link in the description. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Artis BT22. Thank you for watching, friends.